Hello everyone, it's Fatan. Today we are going to write a program that will determine the number of prime numbers in the array that is formed here. You can remember it from the last video. So as usual, we will start by importing the scanner class from the console. Then we will write public class and main method. Then we will create a scanner object called input. Then we will say integer minus equals name integer 20. So we will create a list that contains 20 elements, and we'll say for integer j equals 0 and j is smaller than minus that length. It's our condition, and it's our under control. So it will, this means it will just increase j by 1, adding 1. So and the for loop will continue till this condition is not true anymore. So we will print please enter a value and minus j equals input dot next integer. It will take the next integer as an input, and when this condition is not true anymore, it will close the input. Then we will say integer number equals 0 and integer counter equals 0, and we will say integer a, if we will declare a variable, an integer variable a, and we will say while number is smaller than minus length and a equals minus num. We will say if is prime a counter plus plus it will increase counter by 1, and we will say num plus plus, so it will increase num by 1. We will print system data dot print there are counter prime numbers in this array. By the way, this function is created by me in here. This is a boolean function, as you can see, and it checks if the number is prime number or not. So we will say public static boolean is prime, and if number, and if this return false and if this return true, and the remainder of the division is equal to 0, return false, and as integer I equals 3 and while I is smaller than or equal to num divided by 2 if this division is the remainder of the division equals 0, return false, and I equals I plus 2 and return true. So let's run the code. Something like this. For example, there are 6 prime numbers in this array. So thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.